welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take you on a drive to a park in Santiago that you might not have heard of. It is Parque Rosa Duarte in the beautiful neighborhood of La Trinitaria. Now we also have a video where we mention some of the very nice neighborhoods that you might want to consider when moving to Santiago, and La Trinitaria is definitely one of those. So let's take a look and see what Eric sees as he takes a drive to the neighborhood to visit Parque Rosa Duarte in La Trinitaria. Enjoy! Now, as you can see, the neighborhood is beautiful. I mean, it's really one of the most stunning neighborhoods out here. It's gone through a lot of renovation during the COVID shutdown by the mayor here in Santiago. So, I mean, beyond just the neighborhood itself, the park has gone under a whole new renovation. It's got everything that you would need: walking trails, water features, kids playground, and a mural that Eric's going to take you through that's absolutely stunning. Now, one of the reasons I say that this neighborhood is so beautiful, you can see for yourself just the amount of just gorgeous apartment homes that just blanket the neighborhood, all relatively new. And when you begin this walk, you'll see why they live where they live, with access to such a nice park. But even if you're living in Villa Olga, Sierra Segurabo, or Gurabo, even Los Jardines, you're but maybe a 5-minute to 6-minute car ride from this gorgeous park. And now we're going to enter the mural, hand-painted by a local artist commissioned by the mayor. As you can see, always rich in history, even the painting of the murals depicts all important figures, people, politicians, writers, all from Dominican Republic. We hope that you enjoyed our walk through the Parques and through the area of La Trinitaria. Remember, as always, hit that subscribe, hit notifications. Always give this and all videos a thumbs up, because hitting subscribe and thumbs up is an easy way to patron the channel and change that algorithm. And remember, all information is always underneath all the videos. If you'd like to get that consult, say thank you, or hit that happy hour button to show your appreciation for all the hard work and great content that we constantly bring to you guys, our viewers, the Caribbean family. So, have a great day.